to teach you how to cook rice. Ready?
Okay.
So you put rice, any amount, doesn't matter. Wash it.
How many times?
You wash it until maybe minimum 3 times until the water goes clear. And you put water.
What for?
And then you put water. And then use this one, your hand. See this first line?
Yeah.
So you put it on top of the rice.
Yeah.
And make sure the water level is in this first line on your finger. See?
Really?
Yeah, that's
That's
it.
amazing. What about my finger? My finger's bigger.
No, it's the same. See, it's the same.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay, that's how you make
Cook
the rice. And then put it in the rice cooker.
Filipino style.
Yes, Filipino style.
Thank you.